So a good definition of whether or not a good way of defining two parallel lines is basically if they never meet. Now, what does that mean if they never meet? If I were to make this line longer, but without changing the angle like this, but try to keep the angle the same, and I could do it forever, I could do it for millions of miles and do it with both of them, they would never meet. And the same if I went the other way, if I went left and did it the same with both of them for as lot as for billions and billions of miles, for the it did it the entire universe, they would never ever meet. If they do meet, then that means they are not parallel, and if they don't meet, that means they are parallel. Okay, if I brought them closer and closer together, then if I brought two parallel lines closer together, then each eventually, as long as I don't change the angle, eventually when they do touch, they touch at all places at the same time. So it's not like one part of the line touches them, but all places will touch at the same time. And so you can see actually in reality, despite the fact I tried to do it, these two aren't parallel. I'll move it a little bit closer. You can see actually they touch on the left but not on the right. So they're not parallel. Okay. So but if I got it just right, I can try and get it a little bit better now. You can see that if I bring them closer, still not quite parallel because if you just about make it on the left, they're not quite touching. But if they were parallel, then they would touch all the same place. And if I extended them towards the left or to the right forever and ever and ever, they would still never ever touch. That's what parallel means. Okay.